Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Opioid classification based on the action on the receptors. So we start with the drugs and we are going to see the following receptors. So morphine, so the receptor mu, it is highly positive. Then comes the delta and then kappa. So under kappa, it is positive. So let's look at methadone. So this was morphine. This is methadone. Methadone, it is again the mu positive and just mu positive. Then when you look at the meperidine is also just positive. This is for the mu. Next we look at the fentanyl. Fentanyl, if you see, it is again positive for the mu receptor. Next, moving on, we look at the sulfenadil. The sulfentanil, it is positive, it is 3 positive and delta positive and kappa positive. Next we look at codeine. So in terms of codeine, it is positive and negative. Then pentazocine. So in terms of pentazocine, it is positive and negative for the mu receptor, and kappa receptor, it is also positive. Then the nalbuphine. So what is nalbuphine? So in terms of nalbuphine, it is negative for the mu receptor and N for negative. So negative for the mu receptor and positive for the kappa. Then buprenorphine. So we look at the buprenorphine. So buprenorphine, it can be positive and negative for the mu receptor, and there is negative, 2 negatives. Buprenorphine is negative for the delta as well as kappa. Next we look at the butorphanol. So in terms of butorphanol, it is positive and negative for the mu, and then it is highly positive for the kappa. This is butorphanol. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.